everyone, today I'll be making pineapple upside down cupcakes. What all goes in the pineapple upside down cupcakes? 1/2 cup butter melted, 1/2 cup brown sugar packed, 1 20-ounce can of pineapple slices or chunks with juice divided, 21 maraschino cherries, stemless, 2 cups flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon canola oil, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, and 2 large eggs at room temperature. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 350. So cut your pineapples into small squares. Reserve the juice. Take a teaspoon of melted butter and put in the bottom of each muffin tin. And then take a teaspoon of brown sugar and sprinkle that in each muffin tin. Then place 4 pieces in each muffin tin of the pineapple, kind of crosswise. May have to cut these down just a little bit more so they fit. You can use chunks instead of slices, that might work better. Then place 1 cherry in the center of the pineapple chunks. And then set that aside. I'll do the other muffin tins and I'll be right back. Take a smaller bowl and whisk the dry ingredients together. The 2 cups of flour, the 2 teaspoons of baking powder, the 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Set that aside. In a separate large mixing bowl, take your 1/4 teaspoon of canola oil and then put in your 3/4 cup of sugar and whisk that together. Doesn't seem like very much oil to me, but what do I know? Then beat in the eggs until just combined. Do not throw the eggshells in the mix. Then take your dry ingredients and slowly mix that in and mix it with a spatula. And when your batter is too dry to mix completely, then we will add the pineapple juice. So I'm going to pour in the pineapple juice and we want to mix it until it is wet and thick. So then take your batter and spoon in 2 tablespoons per cavity. It'll be almost full. I'll finish that and I'll be back. So take your pineapple upside down cupcakes, put them in a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 to 17 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean. so they've been in the oven for 16 minutes. Let's see if they are done by sticking a toothpick in the center. And that one come out clean. Let's try one of these ones in the back. That one can go in for probably another minute or two. They're starting to sink in a little bit. That means you took them out of the oven a little bit too soon. But this one is done. So, all right, so I didn't have as much batter as I thought I would. I couldn't find my other muffin tin. And these muffins here have to sit and cool for 30 minutes. But I did find my individual little muffin liners. We'll see how well that works. And since it only made 3, if they don't work, it's not a big deal. So after 15 minutes, I did remove one of these and it came out pretty good. So I'm going to try to remove them all and not wait the full 30 minutes. And then we'll let them completely cool on the cooling racks. And then the cherries down there because it wasn't much room. But it turned out really good. All right, so those 3 came out after 16 minutes. Let's use a toothpick to test to see if they're done. Looks like I hit the cherry on that one. And they are done, so we'll let them cool for 30 minutes and then I'll try to just pull away the liners. So here are the pineapple upside down cupcakes. Let's see what Dave thinks.
The cupcakes?
Pineapple upside down cupcakes.
Okay, well, that was actually my guess. I just didn't say it. I don't know what a pineapple upside down cake is supposed to taste like, but I like this. I think it's pretty good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.